Hello, you are welcome again to Hilltop tutorial. Today we are solving this question before us. We said find the value of x if 2 raised to the power x squared minus 2 is equal to 16 multiplying 2 raised to the power 5x. Solution: 2 raised to the power x squared minus 2 is equal to 16 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 5x. Note that solving this, we are going to have 2 to the power x squared minus 2 is equal to 16 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 4 multiplying 5x. From this left hand side, this right hand side of the equation, we are going to have, by this law of indices, a raised to the power b times a raised to the power c is equal to a raised to the power b plus c. This is a law of indices. So using that, this we are going to get 4 plus 5x. This gives us 2x squared minus 2. Since the bases are equal, we equate the power. Doing that, we get x squared minus 2 is equal to 4 plus 5x. Doing that, we are going to get, next thing we need to do here is to simplify by moving whatever is here to this side. We get x squared minus 5x minus 2 minus 4 equal to 0, which gives us x squared minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Clearly, this is a quadratic equation. To solve this quadratic equation, we are going to do it using factorization method. So using factorization method, we are going to look for two factors that when we multiply to give us minus 6, but when we add it to give us minus 5. Factors are minus 6 and 1. If we multiply it, it gives us minus 6. When we add it, minus 6 plus 1 gives us minus 5. There are other factors also we can use. We can use minus 2 times 3 gives us minus 6, but when we add it, minus 2 plus 3 gives us 1. There's another one, minus 1 times 6 gives us minus 6. If we add it, minus 1 plus 6 gives us 5. So it is this one that meets the requirement. Therefore, we are going to work with this. X squared minus, in place of 5 here, we'll put minus 6 and 1, the two new factors. X squared minus 6x plus x. 1x is the same thing as x, so the minus 6 equal to 0. Next, we are going to simplify it. X squared minus 6x, factorizing it. Then among these two, x is common, we bring out x, we have x minus 6. Here 1 is common, x minus 6 equal to 0. This gives us x plus 1. Then we take 1 out of these two, gives us 0. Then x plus 1 equal to 0, or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore our answer is x equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 6. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share this video, and please help this channel by subscribing and also by sharing this video to your friends. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next class.